What's up, my gang? We're in LA right now. We got Omar, your favorite special guest. Yeah, so this is one of Omar's favorite spots, and if you read the title, you probably know where we're going already. We're going to Dave's Hot Chicken, and it's supposed to be... Actually, you tell him about it, Omar. What is Dave's Hot Chicken?
It's fire. It's the most fire chicken sandwich in LA. Don't at me, alright?
Alright, supposedly it's the most fire chicken sandwich. See if it's better than that Popeye sandwich. But yeah, it has a lot of hype behind it. There's a lot of people in there right now, and we're about to pull up and get some chicken sandwiches. Let's do it. Alright guys, so weekday and it already looks pretty crowded. Let's do it. Oh man, this is the line? I guess this is the line, guys.
So actually sometimes I've seen the line as far as all the way around there.
All the way down there.
Yeah.
So this is like a Wednesday. It's like a Wednesday night, so this is supposed to be like a small crowd. So
This is actually a really small crowd compared to how it usually could be. Because it's a Wednesday night, it's not too bad.
not too bad at all. So Omar, what's Dave's Hot Chicken?
Honestly, the best way I could describe it is if chicken was if you can combine chicken and hot Cheetos together, I would say that's what Dave's Hot Chicken is. Yeah, straight up. And then add a little honey on it. That's what it is. So be ready. So we're about to order the 2 sliders with fries. We're gonna split it.
He's lying. He's about to order the whole menu.
All right, so I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. So hold up. So the reason why Dan stays fit is because he orders the whole menu but doesn't eat it, and then he makes me eat it.
Ooh wee. Looks pretty fire, guys. Pretty fire indeed. Alright guys, apparently it's crucial to, where is it? Put honey in these buns for some honey buns. Alright, let's do it. Oh, this one's open. I got this. Alright. We'll add on some honey. Ooh. You see it? You guys see this, right? How I like my buns sweet. Alright, let's do this.
Talking about that you get a little spicy, so we can
get a little spicy too. Let's see. Alright, I'm gonna eat it. There you go. It's really crunchy, guys. Maybe you can hear that crunch. It's juicy too.
How does the
crunchy and juicy? I like it already.
how does the hot and sweet combination?
It's pretty fire. It's pretty spicy. It's like Omar said. I'd say it's like a hot Cheeto in buns, but like the Cheetos are chicken. I'm gonna finish the rest of this, enjoy it, and tell you what I think. You know, a good fast food place is only as good as their fries, right? Nah, I'm playing. That's not always true. Alright, I'm gonna try the sauce. Sauce is pretty good. It tastes like spicy Thousand Island. But these fries are pretty fire. It's like really crunchy, and I really like the seasoning. Better than In-N-Out fries, for sure. Alright. Take your bite.
Alright. So first, the honey.
Yep.
The honey's key. Alright.
What tastes like? How spicy is it?
So I usually get a medium. I'm not really the bravest soul when it comes to eating spicy food. However, with this, you can actually go pretty high on like the spice meter and still be able to enjoy it just because of the honey combination.
So I'm finished with my sandwich, guys. I'm about to give you guys my review. To be honest, not the best. Chicken sandwich. It's interesting. It's pretty good, but I think the Popeye sandwich is better, guys. But what really stole the show are these fries. They're super crunchy. I really like seasoning salt. It's really fire, guys. Fries here are good.
You just think Popeye is better?
Yeah. Alright guys, so we just finished at Dave's. I'm gonna give you our final review and thoughts. Me and Omar have some disagreements. Tell me what you think. Well, Omar took us here, so he obviously thinks highly of this place, and he's gonna tell you his review of the chicken sandwich.
Okay, so listen. When it comes to flavor, when it comes to seasoning, I think that this place is by far the best chicken sandwich place you can go to in LA. Now, as far as quality of chicken, I'm sure you can find better places. But as far as like just flavor, like I told Dan at the beginning, this is like a hot Cheeto chicken sandwich. Like it's like the perfect seasoning. Combine it with the honey. Mwah.
Alright, so first of all, I want to say that it is definitely an above average chicken sandwich compared to like the top chicken sandwiches I've had. I don't think there's anything crazy special. The sauce, the little like orange sauce in it, it was alright. The chicken wasn't super crunchy. It was crunchy, but it wasn't super crispy like the Popeye's chicken sandwich. And the chicken inside was fresh. It was good chicken, but it wasn't super juicy either, you know. So and the buns, it was just regular, you know, small buns. Well, they're sliders, so it was like a smaller sandwich. But the fries were really good. I gotta give them that. Seasoning on the fries was really good. That's what made the fries good. And I guess that's the same seasoning they used on the chicken, which had all that flavor as Omar was talking about. So yeah, that's pretty much like the best thing about the place was the seasoning.
Honestly,
overall,
straight up, everyone I've brought here, like they either like love it religiously and come here like every weekend, or they just think it's just like this regular ass chicken sandwich. So
yeah, that's me. I just think it's regular. But yeah, maybe that's because I just had the Popeye sandwich. The Popeye sandwich, if you guys haven't seen that video, go watch it. I really stand the Popeye's chicken sandwich because that sandwich is like $3 and it's like the best chicken sandwich I've had. Well, this is not Popeye's video. You guys go check out that video. That's what I think about it.
I disagree completely.
All right, Omar disagrees, so
I disagree.
All right, so we'll agree to disagree, and I guess I'm gonna walk home now because he's a driver. Now I'm playing. But yeah, if you guys want to see more food reviews, mukbangs, and food vlogs, like this video, subscribe to see more, and comment what you guys think. Dave's hot chicken or any other chicken sandwiches. Comment down below what other chicken sandwiches spots we should hit up next. Deuces.